Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic food storage solution that we found online and thought would be a great addition to your kitchen. You can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability of this product. Let's talk about the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage set. This set consists of 3 containers designed to make your meal prep, lunch packing, and leftover storage a breeze. These containers are not just any ordinary food storage, they are built with a range of features that address common frustrations we face in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers is their 100% airtight and leak-proof design. Each container creates a secure seal, ensuring that your food stays fresh and is protected from any spills during transport. Whether you're packing a lunch to take to work or storing leftovers, you can trust that these containers will keep your food intact and flavorful. Another innovative feature is the customizable trays. Each container comes with removable drop-in trays, making it easy to store multiple foods separately within the same container. This is particularly useful when you're dealing with meal prep for the week. You can prepare a balanced meal with protein, vegetables, and grains all in one container without the worry of mixing flavors or textures. Now, let's talk about the materials used. The Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are made from BPA-free Tritan plastic. This means you get the clarity of glass without the added weight or risk of shattering. It's lightweight yet remarkably durable, a perfect combination for everyday use. Plus, these containers are stain-resistant, so you don't have to worry about your favorite tomato sauce leaving a mark. They maintain a fresh and clear look even after repeated uses. Another great feature is that these containers are splatter-resistant and microwave-safe. They come equipped with built-in vents on the lids, allowing for splatter-free reheating, which can be a game-changer when you're in a hurry or just want to avoid a messy microwave. And when it comes to storage, the space-saving, modular design of these containers means they can fit nicely in your refrigerator or pantry, optimizing your available space. Who is this food storage set suitable for? Honestly, it's perfect for anyone who wants to simplify meal prep and storage. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent looking to pack nutritious lunches for your kids, or someone who simply enjoys cooking in bulk and enjoying leftovers, these containers cater to all. They're also a great option for students living in dorms, as they can easily store snacks, leftovers, or meal preps without taking up much space. Let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine prepping your meals for the week on a Sunday. You can use the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers to portion out your lunches, keeping salads crisp and protein separate. You can also prepare snacks for your kids, packing fruits and veggies in one container while keeping dips or dressings in the removable trays. And when it's time to reheat, just pop the lid with the vent on and microwave away, knowing that splatters will stay contained. In summary, the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage set offers a range of practical features that make food storage easy and efficient. With their airtight design, customizable trays, and durable materials, these containers are a smart investment for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen organization and meal prep. Thanks for watching.